There are two versions of the OneLinQ. I got the standard version. This is their protective box. The weight of the protective box plus the machine is less than 9 kilograms. It's no problem to carry it for short distances. This case boasts IP67 water and dust resistance, whether it's windy, rainy, or sandy. It's no problem, and even if I step on it like this, it's okay. So whether it's a long walk or over the mountains, there is no need to worrying about this box overturning at all. In addition to the protective box on the outside, other accessories include the main unit, 4-corner bracket, power adapter, fast charging cable, shoulder strap, and 20,000 mAh power bank. This is not a new machine. There should normally be for ground nails. It is mainly used to fix the 4-legged bracket in some extreme environments. The shoulder strap here can be attached to the protective case. If it is a relatively long distance to move, then you can carry it on your shoulders or back. That way you won't get too tired. There are two Type-C ports under the main unit. Both of these interfaces are power interfaces. The upper interface also supports the expansion of network ports. This design is very practical. On the one hand, it is more functional. On the other hand, if you need to switch the external power supply outdoors, then you can make the switch seamless. Obviously, OneLinQ has put a lot of effort into the user experience. Satellite internet access machines may sound like a complex high-tech product. Of course, the technical content is also true. But at the consumer level of the app, OneLinQ satellite internet access machine is actually very convenient. First of all, you can see that its structure is very simple. Just do it once. Place the main unit on a 4-legged stand. Then connect the power supply. Then, just wait. Isn't it super easy? At the same time, we also keep a record of its connection time. 2 minutes and 22 seconds successfully connected. The connection process is fully automated. There are no requirements for the orientation of the placement. From self-test, GPS positioning, signal adjustment, to finally successful connection, there is no need for human intervention at all. There is also a ring light strip on the back. During the connection, it is in a respiratory state. After the connection is successful, it is always on. When in use, you can judge connection according to the status of the ring light strip. You can see its Wi-Fi signal here in your mobile phone. Just connect it directly. Of course, you can set a password for this, if it is used in some places with a lot of people. Remember to set a password. The speed of the satellite internet machine is related to many factors, including specific locations, satellite resources, and more. As I understand it, the device itself supports 20 megabytes of uploads and 100 megabytes of downloads. But in fact, satellite companies are currently offering speeds of about 2 megabytes for uploads and 8 megabytes for downloads. Let's test it and take a look. To be more objective, we deliberately conducted speed tests in 3 nearby locations. The data for the 3 tests are as follows. Basically, it's 2 megabytes for uploads and 8 megabytes for downloads. In order to avoid mobile data interference, turn on airplane mode. Connect to a satellite network. 1080p online video playback. It's no problem to chat with friends and post pictures. Let's take a look at the actual test. It is enough to meet the daily use of the vast majority of users. There are 2 ways to store it. One is online app storage. The other is offline gravity detection. Pull the main unit out of the stand. Just put it upside down on the ground. It is equipped with gravity detection storage. It is automatically recycled. Then remove the data cable and put it back in the protective box. It is a satellite internet machine that can surf the internet anytime and anywhere. What do you think? Would you like to buy it? Feel free to leave a comment below.